Hey, so now I'm going to show you how to use the OPN mapping interface. And we're back at the home page, and I'm just going to go through another way to access the collection. If we go to Explore Parks, and again, this is an alphabetical listing of all the parks in our network. And then we can get to the park page here and link to the collection page here. So before, when I gave you a brief overview of the rows here, down below is the Explore Items by location. Now it's important to note that this defaults to the first 200 pins. Otherwise there might be a hang-up because we have over 3,000 items in this collection so far, and it will grow double in size here soon. So if you click Map All, our OPN mapping interface will open up, and again, first 200 images, we know there's a lot more than that. So I know my internet connection is pretty good, so I'm going to click All and then Search. Okay, so it's going to give you a warning that you're pulling more than 1,000 pins. It may be helpful to use a keyword search or draw a bounding box. I'm just going to click OK because I know this should work for me. And I'm going to scroll down towards Biscayne, and that's where the bulk of these items are. There are a couple that are outside of the region as they were mixed in with the slide collection. So once you zoom in, the pins clusters are going to spread apart, and again, as you refine more, these tend to break out. So this was a cluster of 9 records. So I'm going to scroll down here, and you'll see all 9 of those records for this location, which looks like Elliott Key. Let me scroll back out. Let me make sure. Okay, Porgy Key. Again, click on the pin, and hopefully these are where they're supposed to be in Porgy Key. And then the website here will take you to the actual individual record view. So this is another way of browsing the collection. Definitely if there are some sensitive locations. I'm not sure what this one is. If that's actually in the right place or not, we can double check these. We use geonames.org for pulling these pins and locations, so sometimes the pin is set just in a bizarre place. I know for the visitor center we had to make sure that there's a lot of distinction between the convoy point and the visitor center, and those two are very close together, so yeah, hopefully we got these all aligned correctly. So for example, at visitor center here, scroll through these, and again here is convoy point, should be the docks, and I'm not sure what this one is. Let's see, again another combo of convoy point and the visitor center. So if there are any corrections, definitely let